Hey y'all, it's Miss Chambers here today. Today we're going to talk about place value still, but now we're going to be comparing numbers, and this is part 1 of a part 2 video. So it's very important that you keep track of part 1 video's notes. So make sure you have your notebook, your notes, a pencil, and a quiet place to listen. And remember, you can always pause me. Unknown caller. And there went my phone. Just like that. Pause. So today we're going to be doing comparing numbers, and the objective is comparing two multi-digit numbers based on the meaning of digits in the place value using greater than, less than, or equal to symbols. And the essential question is, why is comparing numbers correctly important, and where would I use this skill in the real world? And remember, real world is life. Where do you use comparing numbers in life? In fact, I'd be interested to know what your parents would say. So that might be a bonus question if you would like to ask your questions tonight to your mom. Where do you, in real life, compare numbers? It doesn't have to be mom. It can be any adult in your house. What does it mean to compare numbers? Okay, so in your notebook, make sure you're writing the definition. It's the number that is greater than, less than, or equal to. Compare. You're looking at both numbers and you're deciding which one is higher, which one is lower. What's the difference between the two? Are they the same? Are they equal to? And what does that mean? All right, so in this picture, you see two alligators. This should be similar to you because it's something that you've compared numbers since kindergarten. Okay, the mouth of the alligator always eats the larger number. The point of the alligator's mouth, right here, always points to the smallest number. So if you want to think of it like an arrow, the arrow's point always points to the smallest number, and the mouth of the alligator always eats the larger number. So greater means the number has the highest value, the largest value. It's the biggest number. The number that is less than is the number that is the tiniest, the fewest, the smallest in value. And equal means they have the same throughout the whole number, and it's the same value for each number. And then you'll use the equal sign. So how do I compare numbers? You can do it in 3 steps. Number 1, make sure all the numbers are vertically aligned. What in the world is vertically aligned mean, Miss Chambers? It means the numbers are aligned. They're stacked on top of each other. All the ones are with the ones, all the tens are with the tens, all the hundreds are with the hundreds. So you see here on the example, the 4, you always start with the largest place value, in the thousands, and 4 in the thousands. 6 in the hundreds, 6 in the hundreds. 5 in the tens, 5 in the tens. And here's the difference. The difference is in the ones place. So you have a 0 and you have a 3. So now you have to decide which one's the larger number. So on the count of 4, 3, 2, 1, which number is it? Did you say 4,653? Give yourself a pat on the back, okay? Because that is the larger number. So the mouth of the alligator, or the mouth of the symbol of the greater than symbol, is going to be eating the larger number. Over here you see 4,653 was the first number, and 4,650 was the second number. So the mouth would be eating the larger number, okay? Now, what is the most important part about that? Is you got to make sure you read the numbers in the problem from left to right. And you're going to choose the correct symbol that goes in that middle little circle area. So let's look at the example. Here's your first number. Here's your second number. Here's the circle value right here. The circle thingy that you're going to put your symbol in. On your paper, you're going to decide, is it greater than, less than, or equal to? So you see right here, Miss Chamber has already vertically aligned it for you. Now you're going to compare which number is which. So you start with the highest value, which is your 10,000s. Okay. Then are both the 5s the same? Yes, they are. Look into the thousands place. You both have 6s. Are those the same? Yes, they are. Then the hundreds place is a 7. Those are both the same. Now look at the tens place. This is where your difference is. You have 7 tens and 0 tens. Which one's the higher place value? Did you say 7 tens? That is absolutely correct. So in your example, you would put 56,770 is greater than, see how I did that? 56,707. So now you're going to try. You're going to do that in your notebook, and you're going to also answer the other questions. Remember to use the correct symbol and read them from left to right, okay? And then you're going to create or choose the correct symbol for that problem using the vertical alignment strategy. Remember, the mouth always eats the larger number. Look at the shark. It's going to eat me. Oh no. Toodles.